Do you often feel tired and heavy? Is your skin looking dull? Or do your joints ache often? It might be due to chronic inflammation. According to the Harvard School of Public Health, chronic inflammation can be at the root of many diseases: heart disease, diabetes, even cancer. But here's something surprising. What you eat every day can play a big role in either reducing or increasing inflammation. Today, we'll break down Harvard's anti-inflammatory diet, the core principles, what the studies show, and how, when, and for whom these foods may be helpful. First, antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. Blueberries, strawberries, kale, spinach, broccoli. These foods are rich in antioxidants that are believed to calm inflammation. Let's look at the science. The U.S. National Institute on Aging did a study on older mice. They were fed blueberry extract for 2 months. The results: improved brain function, better memory, better movement, and a clear reduction in inflammation levels in the brain. This could matter for humans too, because aging and inflammation are closely connected. For adults over 40, eating a handful of berries in the morning may be helpful. Try them raw, in yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. No cooking that preserves the nutrients. Second, omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are all good sources. These fish contain EPA and DHA, types of omega-3s. They may help lower inflammatory markers like cytokines. Harvard Medical School did a study with 200 healthy adults. They ate fish 3 times a week for 8 weeks. Their CRP levels dropped by 25% on average. CRP, or C-reactive protein, is a key marker of inflammation. The effect was stronger in people who had high inflammation to begin with. Fish is usually eaten at lunch or dinner. Grilling or steaming works best. Frying is generally avoided. Third, olive oil, especially extra virgin. This oil contains a compound called oleocanthal. It's been shown to work similarly to ibuprofen. Harvard Health Publishing says it may help suppress inflammation at the genetic level. 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is common. Use it on salads or dip your bread. Don't cook with it. Heat may destroy the anti-inflammatory properties. People with high cholesterol or heart concerns may benefit from this more. Fourth, spices, turmeric and ginger. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known to have strong anti-inflammatory effects. At the University of Arizona, they gave curcumin supplements to 45 arthritis patients for 8 weeks. Their pain scores dropped by 50%. Inflammation markers also fell significantly. Interestingly, the effect was better when curcumin was taken alone. That's why many people use turmeric as a supplement or add it regularly in small amounts to food. Ginger also contains gingerol, which may help soothe the gut and reduce inflammation. You can drink it as tea after meals or add it to soups, stews, or stir-fried dishes. One more tip: taking turmeric with black pepper may boost absorption by up to 2,000%. Fifth, whole grains. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat are high in fiber and minimally processed. A Harvard study found that people who ate whole grains 3 times a day had about 17% lower CRP levels, especially among those with pre-diabetes or obesity. Oatmeal for breakfast, brown rice for lunch, quinoa salad for dinner. This is a common pattern. In contrast, refined carbs like white rice or white bread may worsen inflammation. Sixth, foods to avoid. Processed snacks high in sugar, trans fats, and refined carbs. These are often linked to more inflammation. In 2019, the medical journal The BMJ published a large study. Over 100,000 French adults were followed. Those who ate the most ultra-processed food had significantly higher rates of heart disease and death. The likely reason? These foods may disrupt gut bacteria and trigger long-term inflammation. If you eat these daily for convenience, they may slowly build up harmful effects. It's a good idea to reduce them consciously. Let's recap. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Eat fish 2 to 3 times a week. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of raw olive oil daily. Include turmeric and ginger in meals. Choose whole grains 3 times a day. And cut back on ultra-processed foods. This kind of diet may help reduce inflammation over time. People often report feeling more energetic, with better digestion and mood as well. This content is for informational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition. If you have specific health concerns or take medications, please consult your doctor or registered dietitian.